Alright guys, I'm going to show you the issue where you're sending the code and you're not receiving it. And as you see here, it says waiting for the 4-digit code. But of course, the 4-digit codes in some cases does not come. And if it doesn't come, it causes an issue. Alright, so I'm going to show you to fix this problem with your Android devices. Some of these tips might also apply to other devices as well. Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, guys, this one is a fix for TikTok and TikTok app, as you know, as you saw earlier in the introduction, in case you're not getting that 4-digit code or the code in general to activate your TikTok account and setup. I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. All right, so the first thing I want you to do, guys, in case you're not getting your code, is to just go ahead and go into settings. All right, so once you go into settings, of course, you're going to go down to apps or app manager on some devices, and what you're going to search for is the TikTok app. You can always search through, or you can go alphabetically. All right, so we're going to search for TikTok. Now when we find the TikTok app as seen here, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to tap on the TikTok app. Once you select the TikTok app, next you're going to go down and search for permissions. And as you can see here, it might be a little bit different for your device. Some devices you simply have to just hit the toggle, but of course you can always hit allow and make sure all of these are allowed. And if anything is denied, make sure that you go ahead and allow. Alright, so once you allow all of these, it might look a little different on yours. Remember, it's all the same thing. So once you allow all permissions and there's nothing under the denied area, you should be good. So next you're gonna go back. Now after this, guys, just go ahead and restart the process, or simply try again on your screen. And of course, if that doesn't work, next you're gonna go in, and what you're gonna do is go to apps again, and this time you're gonna look for you're gonna go down to M. We're looking for messages as seen here, so you're just gonna tap on messages. Likewise, you're gonna go to permissions. Make sure all permissions are on to be safe. So even location, you can just go ahead and allow. And once you do that, for location, simply exit. Or if in your case it might be something else that's blocked, make sure all permissions are turned on. Now after all permissions are turned on, the next thing to do, guys, is just go ahead and retry for the code to be sent. Just add a few other pointers. Make sure that you're waiting, at least giving it a minute to 3 minutes or so on for the code to arrive. All right, if none of those work, some other things you can do, guys, just go ahead and reboot the phone. Sometimes it might be a network issue, so just go ahead and restart or power off. Check with your network carrier to make sure that you're receiving normal text, so you can send a text from another device and see if you receive it. Also check your number to make sure that it's in the correct format, area code and everything is included. If you leave off something, it might affect sending the file total, so make sure your area code is on and the full area code without anything being left out. And of course, guys, if all else fails, you can power down your device, remove the SIM card and place it into another device, as the issue might be with this particular device that you're using currently. So let's go ahead and switch the SIM over to another device and try again. Now if you do all of that, guys, you should receive your activation code and you should be good. Alright guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye guys.